Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of a faster, smoother Windows startup. Say goodbye to those frustratingly long boot times and hello to efficiency. If you're tired of waiting for your computer to wake up, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Hey everyone, I'm Daniel, and in today's video, we're unveiling the top tricks to optimize your Windows startup. These tips will not only speed up your boot time, but also enhance your overall computing experience. Let's get started with the basics. First up, let's tackle those pesky startup programs. These are the applications that automatically run when you start your computer, often slowing down the boot process. To manage these, press Ctrl+ Shift+ Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab, and you'll see a list of programs. Disable any that you don't need right away by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Be careful not to disable essential system programs. Easy, right? This simple step can make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date ensures your hardware communicates efficiently with Windows. Go to Device Manager by pressing Win+X and selecting Device Manager. Look for any devices with a yellow exclamation mark, right-click, and choose Update Driver. You can also visit your hardware manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. Updated drivers can prevent bottlenecks during startup, making your system more responsive. Now, let's tweak some startup settings for maximum efficiency. Press Win+R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab. Here, you can set the timeout to a lower value and select No GUI Boot to speed things up. Under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services and disable any unnecessary third-party services. These tweaks streamline the startup process, cutting down on unnecessary delays. Cluttered disks can slow down your system. Regularly cleaning up your disk can improve performance. Use the Disk Cleanup utility by searching for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Select the drive you want to clean and let the utility scan for temporary files, system caches, and other unnecessary data. Check the boxes and click OK to delete them. A clean disk means a faster startup and a happier computer. Lastly, let's enable Fast Startup, a Windows feature designed to speed up boot times. Go to Control Panel, then Power Options. Click on Choose what the power buttons do on the left. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable, and check the box for Turn on Fast Startup. Save your changes and you're done. This feature combines elements of shutdown and hibernation to start your PC more quickly. And there you have it, 5 powerful tricks to optimize your Windows startup. Implement these tips, and you'll notice a significant boost in your system's performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips to share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.